Hello everyone, this is Anishu and today I'll be explaining the custom program which I have made. I have basically made a contact book library which contains the contacts of different people. Uh, First of all, I have created two structs, namely contact details, which contains the details of the person, and contact book, which contains different number of people whose contacts are saved. I have described certain details like name, gender, birth date, and age, and two vectors which contains the addresses, multiple addresses of the person, and multiple phone numbers. Then I have basically called this entire struct as an array in the second struct. After that, I have created multiple functions and procedures which carries out different tasks throughout the program. I have created these functions, namely taking details, to take the initial details of the person whose number I wish to save. After that, I have created a procedure to basically get the outputs of the inputs which I have given in the previous function. After that, I have created an add address procedure which gives new addresses to the person. Similarly, I have created an add phone number procedure which gives different phone numbers to the person. After that, I have created a delete address procedure which deletes a selected procedure. Similarly, I have created a delete phone procedure which deletes a phone number from the person. After that, I have created another procedure, namely add contact, which basically adds a new contact in the book library. Uh, After that, I have created a function which takes the entry date or in which date I am creating a new contact. After that, I have created another procedure which basically writes the entire contact book in the terminal. After that, I have created another function, select contact, which basically selects a particular contact from the contact list. After that, I have created a procedure, namely particular contact, which basically outputs the details of a particular selected contact. After that, I have created another procedure, namely delete contact, which allows us to delete a contact from the contact book library. Now that we are done with creating the functions which performs the tasks throughout the program, it is time for us to call them. To call them, I have basically used two procedures which loops them and switch cases them so that I can call different functions or procedure at different occasions when they are needed. To call them, first of all, I have created two enumerations so that I can easily call them without using numerical values and in place of them using direct names, so that it will become easier for me to call the functions in the cases. Coming to the cases or coming to the way to read all the functions which I have created before, I have basically used a do while loop so that I can loop the entire function multiple times, and inside it I have used a switch case option which allows me to transfer in between options so that I can have changes throughout the program. You in the switch case options, I have called different functions and different procedures which I have created throughout. Um Similarly, like the first cases option, which basically helps us to have changes inside a single contact, I have created another similar procedure using the same do while loop and switch case method inside it, so that I can have changes in multiple contacts throughout the program. With this, we can easily compile this entire program and have the output. So thank you. That's all for my custom